Yogi Clan, welcome back to MC Monday and your MC Monday tip of the week. We are at episode 20, the last one. If you're watching this, it is Monday and we just had the orphan run. Hopefully it was a success, but we said we're going to stop this after the orphan run is over, wrap up this season. Maybe we'll pick it up again over the winter time period, but we are done after today. Today's topic is words mean everything, so stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this one. If you are new here to Yogi Cycle Service, I'm your host Yogi. Here at Yogi Cycle Service, we do all kinds of motorcycle stuff. We do service, repairs, maintenance, whatever. If it deals with a motorcycle, we'll fix it. We also talk about motorcycle club stuff. We do moto vlogging and just pretty much anything Yogi related. So if you're new here and you like this video, I ask you to surf around, check out some of my other videos. If you like what you see, hey man, give a brother some love, mash that subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, I hope you've enjoyed this MC Monday series. And let's dig into it. And I thank you for coming back and watching this video. So this one comes from this week, April 6th of 2021. MC Monday, tip of the week. Words mean everything. While in New York with my brother Dobie, a prospect came up and said to him, "Hey, Disciple Dobie, can I get you anything?" He paused for a moment and said, "Why, yes, you can. I would like a cheer wine in a glass bottle, please." Dumbfounded, the prospect said, "Well, what's cheer wine?" To which Dobie had to educate him. He quickly replied with, "Well, we have Coke, we have Sprite, we have Diet Coke, and Dr. Pepper. Can I offer you one of those?" Key here is that words mean everything. And although it's a funny example, a different situation worded differently can have a lot different outcome. Think of your words before you speak. There's your tip. Let's ride and talk about it. So yeah, a funny little story about how words mean everything, right? And if you don't know what cheer wine is, then I guess you're not from the Carolinas. I feel bad for you, because it's actually really pretty good. It's basically, it's like a cherry, I think it's a cherry flavored soda made here in the Carolinas. And the old school kind, you'd get it kind of like you get an old Coke in a glass bottle. When you get cheer wine, you can get it in a glass bottle too. So as we Googled it and looked at it, you actually can get it. You can order it through Walmart out of New York, but it's like, it comes in like a 4-pack. It doesn't come in a 6-pack. The glass bottles are a 4-pack. And to order it from Walmart, where you can have it delivered to your store, it's like, I don't know, $27 or something like that for a pack of 4. I was like, oh wow. But yeah, you can get cheer wine up there. It's just may take you a little while and it'll cost you a whole lot of money. But you know, that's not the point. The point is the prospect asked him, "Hey, what can I get for you?" Which left the door wide open for anything off the wall that Dobie could ask for, which is exactly what he did. To which, there were 2 guys with us from Tennessee and myself, and the other 3 of us who heard him say that just started giggling because we knew exactly what was going on. And the look on the prospect's face was like, "What are you talking about?" It was priceless. It was really funny. We laughed about that. We're still laughing about that. And incidentally, we're wondering if it's illegal to take cheer wine across state lines, because we're thinking of doing some kind of smuggling business of running cheer wine up to New York and selling it for like $8 a bottle, because that's about what it worked out to be. $7 a bottle, $7.50, something like that. Right now, who needs to smuggle drugs when you can take cheer wine, which is legal? But you know, words do mean everything. I remember another time, non-club related, actually has to deal with Mrs. Yogi. I wasn't thinking. I was not thinking in this situation. I had a really long day at work. I got home late, and I walked into the kitchen. She was standing there. She greeted me with a smile. I probably had a sourpuss look on my face, and I just looked at her. said, "I'm hungry. Where's my dinner?" To which, I mean, literally, as soon as I said that, I was like, oh no, what did I just say? And my eyeballs probably got like this wide because I realized what came out of my mouth. And luckily, she was in a good mood. And she just started laughing. And before she could say anything, I'm like, oh, I am so sorry. That is not the way I wanted to ask that question. What I meant to say is, I'm hungry. Hey, are there any leftovers? Is there anything I can get to eat? Because, babe, I know what you cooked is oh so good. I mean, look at me. Do I look like I'm starving? No. Your mama's cooking is awesome. She does a great job, but probably walking into the kitchen after a long day going, "Where's my dinner?" is probably not the best thing to say for my relationship. But fortunately, I have a loving wife who understood. But what was I thinking? What the heck was I thinking? And that's just a problem. I wasn't thinking. I was not choosing my words correctly or wisely. So I would encourage you as a prospect, or even really as a full patch. Why is that guy graffitiing on? What the heck is he doing? He's just tagging everything, isn't he? Dancing, having a good time, spray painting. Bro. Okay. Wonder if he's choosing his words wisely. I mean, seriously, man, why are you spraying? Why are you graffitiing, man? Come on now. Anyways, as a prospector or full patch, it is very important that you think before you open your mouth. You know, if I say this, how is it going to be interpreted? Could it be interpreted in a way that I don't intend it to be interpreted? Am I going to say something that's going to put my foot in my mouth? Because let me tell you, in an MC world, actions like that can have ripple effects. Right? One area gets shut down, we all get shut down. Ripple effects. You piss off one of the members of the ruling party in your neighborhood, and you may get your entire club shut down. And it could be simple as just saying something really stupid. And maybe you didn't even intend to say it. It just came out wrong, or you just didn't think through your words. Somebody got offended by what you say. Then they yank your right to fly. It's part of it. Part of it, you know? So I say to you that you should be very careful on how you pick your words. Very simple MC Monday. Think, you know? Sometimes you only get one chance. So think of what you're going to say before you say it. Chew on your words before you spit them out. You know, the prospects I see who are the most challenged are the ones who flap their lips before they've had time to digest what they say. Full patch is the same way. People in general, the same way. I mean, how many people do you know can't control their tongue? The Bible says a mighty ship is controlled by a small little rudder. A horse, you can control the whole horse by just a small little bit, small little bridle in its mouth. Something very small can be the ruin of something very big. Don't let your tongue do that to you. Think of your words before you speak. All right, Yogi Glenn, that's all I had, a quick one. But I've really enjoyed this MC Monday. I appreciate all of you who watched it. If you missed any of them, I got them all put together in a playlist, got them numbered, got them labeled. Go check it out. And, you know, if y'all want, maybe come wintertime, I think we started this around either Thanksgiving or Christmas, maybe we'll fire it back up again for round 2 of MC Mondays. Thank you guys. I appreciate all the support and the encouragement. And I'll catch you on the next one. All right, y'all. Peace.